Hello everyone, it's James Tracy and welcome back to Railway, and today we're going to be looking at something I made from my phone. I hope you enjoyed the video and let's get this review started then. So yeah, all I've done is I put it on a low loader, or what you call it, a flatbed, and then I put a bit of wood on, and then on this bit here is yet again off the tripod. My one what I got from Power Shop, not off my one what I'm using now guys. I took some videos already of the device with a couple of my locomotives, and I'm going to put those in this video as well today guys. And you won't hear me talking in them, so I'll just put those up now, and then obviously I'll bump them into the video like I always usually do, and I'll talk to you in a bit. Right guys, so as you saw there, as you saw those couple of videos, it was actually this, what my phone was actually on, and it is more stable now that I've actually put this bit of wood on and then I've used this flatbed. I'm going to give you an update about my Thomas as well, guys. At the minute, it's been nearly 2 weeks since my Thomas got sent out to the Thomas, and everything. I didn't deliver back to me yet, but then my mum said to me the other day that apparently something about the postman, some of the people who work at the post office has got the virus, so, or being tested for the virus or something like that. But like I said, I've still got my fingers crossed and touch wood that my Thomas still gets looked at and repaired, or I get a new one sent out. But other than that, can't think what else I was going to say. Oh yeah, and please subscribe to my channel, and please like this video, and please comment down below what you thought of this little device what I've made. So other than that guys, then I'll see you later everyone, and then see you later, bye.